Mama Jenny, this is my first time seeing you. So yes, like one-on-one, because now you're seeing me, I'm seeing you.
Yes.
So maybe you've been seeing me and I don't see you. Yes. So why I chose to begin with you, I'm an orphan. Yes. My father and mother died when I was a little boy. Now, the last person who has been with him, I said, just 2 weeks ago. Yes. So, I said, now that I've seen you, I want to talk to you about why issues that are not fine. Since you are our mother, so I'm asking for some appointment. Yes. I come, we sit, we eat, we drink. Tell me some of my issues that I want to. Sorry, Mama.
Okay. I will be taking
Thank you. Good afternoon, Mr. President. You usually call me Atende. I told people that I told you my friend. And I've been, the last time I was here, you promised us things. Yes.
Yes.
Everywhere I pass, I say, President, you are going to be up there. I told them on the level, while camera, so, you know, the colors of the school. And now, that aside, I think if I am given another chance, then I'll speak on behalf of most of us here, because we have another message we want to give you, Mr. President, before you leave. But today, we started out with the fundamentals, the sectors that drive the economy and, you know, our way of life. We talked about agriculture, we talked about manufacturing, we talked about service, that is hospitality, tourism, music, the creative arts, and then we talked about ICT. So, like I was here last time, I was trying to sell to you the idea of the digital economy. The digital economy is employing so many youth. Unfortunately, I don't know how we explained it to you. The last time we were with you, it looked more like you guys are mongering, you're just moving around, you know, you really don't have direction. But we have so many youth and from the digital economy. And by the digital economy, I'm talking about digital content creators. There is the high end, the guys that deal with the internet and the connections and all that. Then there is us, the final level here. I worked in print, the newspaper. I've worked there. I've worked on radio. I've worked on TV. But I'll tell you, Mr. President, the biggest job I've done that has sold me to the world, that has given me some money, has been on social media, on the digital. I did have it in my dreams that one day I'll meet you. I think I met you once. I was a young boy, 53 at Aboja, Mugwanya. We had gone for the trade fair, and you were there, and one of the people who shook hands with you. And of course, I was celebrated at school. So, but since then, we've had people who have been coming, of course, you know. But the moment I started YouTube, TikTok, the whole country got to know me. The people around you picked interest. They are like, well, this guy is doing something different that maybe, you know, you want to know about it. So, when we go to the fundamentals we talked about, come in terms of promoting. For example, we've gone to your farm. You told us the cows are for ghee. But when you make that ghee, you need to sell it to the people. So what for us we do basically in terms of content creation, we are going to show people how these farms are, how these cows are looked after from birth to when they produce. So we tusomesa abaludenti, like you see when we tell us about the 4-acre model. Kati ffe tulaga omuntu okusinziira ku muntu wa bulijjo nga tetwogedde luzungu lungi oba ki oba ki, ne tumulaga nti ente eno ogikwata bwoti n'ogirabirira bwoti okutuusa weetandika okuwa amata gano bw'ogajjamu ogakola otya okufuuka omuzigo omulungi. Kala ne tulyoka tugamba abantu nti omuzigo guno ate mulungi gujje mukole ki mugukule. Kati tetugezaako okusaba Mr. President nti abaana bafunayo ku ssente mu bintu bino bye bakola, naye beetaaga omukono gwo mu gavumenti eddamu gy'ogenda okukola. Beetaaga balabe nti gavumenti ebawagira, kuba nabo balina ebintu bye bakola oba ate bye bayinza okukola okwongerayo obubaka bwa gavumenti mu bantu. Naddala kati guno omulembe ng'ebintu ebisinga bizze ku ssimu. Kati bw'otunuulira abaana nga bano bw'obalaba, bw'ogenda ku buli omu mu real time n'obabuuza abantu bameka abalaba, bagenda kukulaga waliwo alina omutwalo, walina aliwo emitwalo 10, waliwo alina emitwalo 5, nga bonna balaba kino. Kati oli ne babeera tatudde ku TV ng'atambula n'essimu ye wano, asobola okubanga obubaka bwo oba obubaka obulala omuntu wa gavumenti omulala oba naffe ffennyini gye tukola asobola okubeera ng'abiraba. Naye tuga nti President, twagala tukutegeeza omulimu guno ng'ovuddeko abantu bye bagamba nti abaana abali eyo bavumira okwo bakola ki, abavuma be batini, naye abaana bangi kuno kati kwe bajja akasente, abatundira engoye ku ssimu, abatundirako ennyama, abantu bakolerako derivale, enviiri, ebintu bingi ebigenda okwo. Kwegamba kye nali ngezaako okutegeeza mukama waffe yesebo. Kati nga tusaba tulabe tuyinza tutya okutandika okubeera nti tukolera wamu mutu incorporating na kama gavumenti ejja
I think 10 billion cities.
Yes, sir.
Can go on. Now, this one here is part of sales promotion. What we call content, that packaging. It is part of sales promotion. Oxygen trade, that's not correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes, so that one should be supported. I totally agree.
Era wenasinga okuba wano wali osabye
Especially bw'oba otunda ebyawano, bw'oba okupakanya ebyawano. That's why we become now a useful partner. Singa wali otunda ebyewere kutunda wano. Omuntu akolera n'ebweru naye bw'oba osiba ebyaffe n'oganjira eby'abannayuganda wano oba ab'ebweru, you are very useful person. Tukitenda kugamba nti bulungi. I will support you.
tuyanze ekisibo kati
Are you organized?
tuli organize, tulina sako bweri bulungi nnyo, tulina ekibiina ekitutwala
ngenda kufika bilioni 5.
Wangisebo kusumbye bulungi wangisebo bilioni kweyanza nyosebo simanyi nyinza kufunayo kadde ekinenzija nekisinkanamu ekisaamu ekiwandiiko kyaffe netuwayamu
bakulete wiki
wiike gasebo olunaku lwayo twasanza kasinaba kuvaawo nooza madamu Natasha nsaba kano nako kankayisizeewo ddala abakulu baabadde kati baŋŋambye nti bw'omaliriza ebyo byonna ate omukulu omutikkiriza Mr. President, congratulations sir. Entandika gy'otandiseemu ekisanja kigenda kunyumira kati bana obugalo kati abaana abazze olunaku olwaleero tubadde twegaayamu nebaga nti pulezidenti munnyonnyole fo ekamodo nga bw'abitunnyonnyola ng'ekisanja ekijja asooka atukwatireko atute abazze leero mubeere bakkakkamu I have this baŋŋambye ngenda kukomawo tumalirize munyireko Thank you, Your Excellency. I will be waiting to see you next week in a new suit.
You know, what you're talking about is not something new, because in the past it was called advertising. The company will spend money on the TV advertising products. Because I remember in the 1960s, in the whole of East Africa, even in Tanzania, you will hear people advertising Nike Virginia, Nike Virginia, Nike Virginia, Nike Virginia, Nike.